Hello there, and welcome to my first tutorial on SSP, where we will make a simple simulation of a system described with SSP. So we can open the system in Dymola, like this. Our example is a DC motor. Then we have to save the package resulting from the import. We see that Dymola imports the three FMUs that comprise the system. And if we look at the root system here, we see a stimuli model and the system under test. The documentation is not so extensive, but there is a number of metadata attributes described with in the SRMD format that comes from the SSP file. The system under test has an EMA machine and an E drive. And as with any Modelica model, we can parameterize the model here. And let us then run the simulation. We start with the default parameter settings and experiment setup that we get from the SSP file. The translation takes a little while on my slow computer. And then we can plot the motor torque, for example. To make this experiment a little bit more interesting, we can sweep over one of the parameters. So in this case, I've chosen to sweep over the induction of the electrical motor here. That, let's say, it changes from 1 millihenry to 5 millihenry. Just with 5 points in between. And again, we choose to plot the torque from the motor after the sweep. And now the sweep runs in parallel. And we can see that the maximum torque from the motor changes depending on the inductance of the electrical motor. Thank you very much.